eyes. This is like really a cool different effects, like kind of auroras and the cat eyes combo. So it give it really a good effects, even though like say if you are not having anything on it, you don't want to like activate it with your magnet too, you can able to like get away with this. It looks so nice and shimmery and call it good. But I'm gonna give it a little bit active it. So I'm gonna do this one first, and then this one, give it a space, otherwise the magnets might affecting one the one next to it. So I'm gonna skip one, and then I will do that ones with the index. Amy, you good? Amy is like really tired, fall to sleep. Almost done. She's a late client. My lawyer clients. So only this time I would activate it's really simple. I just want to get a little bit of the cat eyes effect. So what I'm gonna do is holding it parallels. I'm gonna show you. It's like a lot of different techniques, okay? And then you can watching the other techniques I'm using. I'm making the flowers using others like a flower too. All right. So holding kind of parallels right on both sides, and then you can able to pull the most like the effects on your nails. So go ahead and flash gear really quick. And then we are going to do a few more, and then you'll be good to go.